Well, you're welcome here. Here is past questions of WAEC 2023. Question number 9. And the question says find the root of the quadratic equation, right? Which is 3m squared minus 2m minus 65 equal to 0. Right, but here I would like to use formula. Right, now let's remember this quadratic expression. We have a squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Right, and let's remember this formula as well. Right, this formula derived from this quadratic expression. Right, which we have x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac and all divided by 2a. Right, we can use this to solve this question here. Right, now let's relate this quadratic expression with this quadratic here equation here. Right, that x here equal to m, right? We see that a equal to 3, right? By here a is equal to 3 and b equal to minus 2, right? And c equal to minus 65, right? So that's why I bring those things out here, right? Now, what the next things to do is to substitute this value here into this formula here, right? Let's do that. So we have x here, we substitute it now. Right, now we substitute into it now. So what can we do next is by solving this now. So we have m now equal to 2 because minus times minus, it will give you positive here, right? We have plus or minus here. 4 minus 4 times 3 times minus 65, right? So it will give you 780, right? All divided by 6, right? Now we see that here it will be equal to this, right? When we add 4 plus 70, 780, so it gives you 784 and divide by 6. So when we take the square root of 784, it will give you 28, right? So that's why we have 2 plus or minus 28 or divided by 6. Now we have 2 minus 28, that's what here, divided by 6, and 2 plus 28, that's what is here, and divided by 6, right? Let's see that 2 minus 28 minus 26 divided by 6 and 2 plus 8 will give you 30 divided by 6, right? We see that something common here, which is 2 is common. 2 can go here, 2 can go here, and 2 can go in 26, that is 13, and 6, that is 3, and 30 divided by 6 will give you 5, right? See it now, which one among these options that we have that is the right options for us to choose. We see here that C is the right option. Thank you for watching.